Morning, Steve here in Chicago with the morning grain comments. Well, happy Friday. Sure, in Chicago everybody's pretty excited, but also a little nervous about the weekend sporting event. So it's going to be windy here in Chicago, and usually that's because of the politicians, not because of the weather, but wind's blowing out at Wrigley today. So anyway, as far as grains are concerned, little change overnight. Beans up a little bit, corn and wheat down a little bit. For the week, beans are up 30 cents, meal's up $20 a ton. Soybean oil up 40 points and corn up 5 cents. Wheat's anywhere from 2 cents higher to 3 cents lower. I think for the week, people are going to be remembering about beans rallying, funds buying 30,000 contracts. Some people blame it on the Argentina too much rain over 20% of their growing areas. Others believe that because of the currency weakness in China, crushers came in and bought not only beans but also priced some of their open sales, and that pushed just above some resistance and triggered some buying in the beans. So going ahead, we'll have to see more problems in weather in South America, more Chinese buying to push us through these price levels, which a lot of people thought we wouldn't trade at this point of the year. Argentina weather looks drier next week, so we'll see if that allows them to come in and get some planting done and take a little anxiety away from the marketplace. As far as the corn is concerned, it also probably was up because of concerns about Argentina. We still, though, are hearing from sources down there that about 36% of their corn is planted, which is on par to the normal pace, and that acres are going to be up about 27 to 30% from last year. So not really a bullish bias there despite the weather. And on the wheat side, I think the main point is that it looks dry for much of early part of November for the southern plains, and they could use a shower. With this week, they were supposed to get a rain, but they took it out of the forecast. We're also watching quality concerns not only in Canada and Europe, maybe Australia, but now maybe Argentina and Brazil with these heavy rains in the wheat market. So we're seeing a little bid in for quality. And this week, over 50% of our weekly wheat export sales were hard red spring, which is our highest quality wheat that we can offer. So we'll see if the funds want to cover any more of their 100,000 contracts short in the wheat market. As far as the outside markets today, we got GDP, U.S. economy coming out today. We also note that a barrel of Texas Intermediate crude oil was trading below $50 a barrel today. It's the first weekly drop since mid-September, and OPEC's going to have a committee meeting in Vienna to discuss their output quotas. And this week, it seemed like Russia blinked and said that they might not follow some of these production restrictions. So outside markets are lower, grains are mixed, big weekend in Chicago, and hope everybody has a good weekend. Again, these are my thoughts and not those of ADM or ADM Investor Services. Have a safe and profitable trading day.